Hello everyone, welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel. Today is the day 69 entry for 7 November 2022. I didn't upload a video yesterday because I was watching the election, so the election was all involved with the election. But my day for day 7, which was a Monday, I did a lot of book repricing. I did a remote wellness academy lesson. I exercised, walked 31 minutes with a 5-minute jog, and then I went to the office downtown and worked on ACA. Spent most of the day in the office, and then I went to the gym. So that was my day for day 69. If you have any questions, let me know. I am committed to making these videos every day. It's just that yesterday I got all involved with the election and I slipped as far as uploading, so that's why there was a slip. But no worries, I forgive myself and move on and correct that mistake. So thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.